Hello, happy Saturday. We're at the cottage. Lucky enough to have a cottage to escape to during this time, and right now we're about to start a hike, so what a better way to start the walk, I would say, on a hike with little Rich. This one's super cool. This is called Buckhorn Burn Trail. I think that's, let me, that's not at all probably, one sec, let me figure this out. What is it called? It is called Bannock Burn Trail. I wasn't far off. It's called Bannock Burn Trail. Super cool little trail. It starts off with this little walkway. It's called a boardwalk, yes. And it's surrounded by trees. Me and Eric tried to what do you call it? Cross-country ski on this trail in the winter, and I feel like you can already tell it's not a cross-country ski kind of trail with the boardwalk, but it was a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and just show you montage of this hike. So we'll see how it goes. Look at this little benchy area. Cool. And we're on the Nafadal Trail. This one's fun because it has like 3 different routes and it's surrounded by these ginormous trees. So, take you along. Which way should we go?
Left is super muddy, so I say right.
Okay. say. Video a thumbs up or a paw up. Comment down below anything that you want. I love to have discussions with you guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can see you next time. And we'll see you later. Next video might be about this guy, so keep your eye out. Right, Rich?